Want to sell more online? Your product photos might be the problem. If they look cluttered, messy, or unprofessional, customers scroll right past. Let's fix that. Introducing ImageMagik's background remover. One click, and boom, your product stands out, looking clean, crisp, and pro-level. No Photoshop. No hassle. Just instant, high-quality cutouts in seconds. Need marketplace-ready images? Done. Want eye-catching social media posts? Easy. Running ads that actually convert? This is the tool for you. Just upload your image, remove the background, and download. That's it. No learning curve, no stress, just better product photos, instantly. Ready to make your products pop? Try ImageMagik's background remover now. Click the link and start selling smarter.